Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and taking care of yourself and your family members, plus doing well in your studies also. Because in these hard times, it is very important that we take care of our health as well. Okay, so today I have selected mains level triple fillers questions, and we will do 5 questions in this video. So yesterday we did prelims level RC, and you all said that it was a easy level RC, so today I have selected mains level question. So we will do 5 questions as I have told before, and for these questions I have selected Guidely PDF course, and these questions are taken from the mains bundle. So now we will start. So by reading the directions you can see that here triple fillers are given and words are represented by alphabets also. So we have to arrange them in a sequence also. Okay, now we will start from the sixth question, and let me show you the question also. So here it is the whole question. Also dash made matters worse for the government. So what we have to do in these type of questions, we first we will put all the options one by one in fill in the blanks, and we will start from the first blank and we will keep eliminating the options which are not getting fitted in the blanks. Okay, and in this way we can eliminate the words. So we will start. Also first we will use option A, backed off make matters worse. So backed off can't fit here. Now we will move to second, infighting. So also infighting made matters worse for the government. So we can see that infighting can fit here. Okay. Next option is resurgent. Also resurgent made matters worse. It is also wrong. Recognized is also not fitting here, and contested is also not fitting here. And infighting means to having conflict with someone, a feeling of competitiveness. Now what we will do, as these options are jumbled, we have to arrange them in a sequence also. So we will try to find the option in which B is given at the first place. So what can do, we can eliminate option A because A is given at first place. We can eliminate B also. We can select C because B is given at the first place. Now we will move to option D. D is given. It also can't be our answer, and E also can't. So here we can see that by putting the first word in the first blank, we have found our answer, and which is option number C. Okay, this is our answer. So you can see that in mains level also you can play with the questions with a very smart approach, that you start putting the words in the first blank one by one and keep eliminating the options. Now we will move to next question, and in seventh question the we will do the same thing. Okay, so in seventh question we will start from here. Equally disturbing is the passing Equally disturbing is the passing reference to educational institution in tribal areas. So here we can put mark before A as reference can fit here. Equally disturbing is the passing describe. So B will not fit here. So in that option in which B is given at first place, we will eliminate those options. Okay. Now we will move with C. Equally disturbing is the passing envisaged to educational institution. It is also wrong because second form is given and here is given. So we will cut the options having C in the first place. So here B will also cut. Now we will move to option number D, distinguish. Equally disturbing is the passing distinguish to educational institution in tribal areas. Here it is also not correct contextually. So here we will cut down D option also. Now we will move to option number E, word E, transacted. So we can see that E is not given at the first place in any of the options. So here we can see Only two options are left. One is A and one is E. Now what we will do? We will try to fit the second word, the second fill in the blanks in A. D is given at the second place. Now what we will do? We will read it again. Equally disturbing is the passing reference to educational institutions in the tribal areas designated as ashram shalas, and D is distinguished as part of the early childhood children education. Now we will use option number E, and in option number E, C is given at second place. So designated as ashram shalas and envisaged as part of. So here we can see second form is given here and second form will also come here. So envisaged will fit here, and we can see that C will be in the second place in the fill in the blanks. So here E will be our right answer because after A, C will come in the fill in the blanks. So here we can see that E is our answer. Now we can move to the next question. So, every teacher in a generalism school and subsequently every guru in a newsroom. So here we can see that subsequently is making full sense. We can mark subsequently here. Okay. Now we can put a tick mark before the options which have A at the first place because these can be our possible answers. So here A and E is given. Now we will try to fit C word in the first blank. Every teacher in a journalism school and remarkable every guru. So here remarkable is not making any sense in the first place, and we can eliminate option number B. Now we will try to fit option B in the first place. Every teacher in a generalism school and notions every guru. So here it is also not making any sense. So we can eliminate option number C also. Now we will move to option number D, with, in which D is given and D is with. So every teacher in a journalism school and with every guru in a newsroom tells you. So here with is also not contextually correct. So we are left with two options. One is A and one is E. What we will do here is we will try to fill our second blanks and then we will find our answer. So in second blank tells you one central principle: never approach a story with preconceived. So here we can say that A is making sense. Now we will try to fit C in the second blank. Never approach a story remarkable preconvinced. So here C is not making any sense and we can cut the option number E, and A will be our right answer for the 8th question. Now we will move to 9th question. Okay, as we have done 3 questions. For Indian American supporters, Trump's traits. So traits is wrong here because traits is not making any sense here. Now we can cut down the options in which A is given at the first place. So we can't use A, we can't use E. Now we will move to next option and we will try to fit C in the blanks. And in C, embrace is given. So for Indian American supporters, Trump's embrace to get into India's internal affairs. So embrace is not making any sense here also. So we can cut down B option also. Now we will try to fit down B in the second place, and in B rally is given. So for Indian American supporters, Trump's rally to get into internal affairs. So here we can think that Trump will not do any rally to get into India's internal affairs. So it is also wrong here. So we can cut C option also. So we will try to fit D in the first blank, which is refusal. Now we will try to fit it here. For Indian American supporters, Trump's refusal to get into India's internal affairs tops the list of admirable traits that must be rewarded. So here we can say that this is making sense, and we are only left with one option, so we will select D as our right answer. Now we will do question number 10. So in question number 10 also we will follow the same strategy as we have followed for the rest of the questions. So let me we will do it. But in recent years a section of Brahmins have started, so in can't come in the first place. We will cut the options in which A is given at the first place. So we will cut A and E. Now we will fit C in the first blank, which is propagating. But in recent years a section of Brahmins have started propagating the X building. So here we can see that, yeah, propagating can be at the first place. Now we will check E, that whether it fits at the second place. So in E, ferocious is given. The X spelling ferocious Parshuram. So here we can see that ferocious is not making any sense, and what we will do is, yeah, ferocious is making sense here because it is grammatically correct here, and context is also correct. The X building ferocious Parshuram as their icon. So X building ferocious means which is who is holding X as their weapon. Okay. So here ferocious is making sense. Now we will try to fit A in the third option. They were looking for a muscular and aggressive icon in their ancestry. It is also making sense. Now we will try to fit B, symbol, in the fourth blank. So as angry goats and X happy, Parshuram may actually help Brahmins in Uttar Pradesh as they rise to, I think I have forgot one blank. Yeah. So here N ended up making Parshuram the symbol of their Brahminhood. Yeah, this is the fourth blank, and here we can see that symbol is making sense here. Now the fifth blank we have left with reassert. So Parshuram may actually help Brahmins in Uttar Pradesh as they rise to reassert their long-lasting political strength. So here we can see that B is making the clear sense. Now we will move to option number C, and we can put a tick mark before B. Now we will move to option number C, and we will try to fit B in the first place. But in recent years, section of Brahmins have started symbol the X welding. So B is not making any sense at the first place. So we can cut down C option. Now we will move to option number D, and here D is, we can fit D at the first place, reassert. But in recent years a section of Brahmins have started reassert. So here we need a thing like which conducts verb, first form of verb plus ing, and here D is also wrong. So here we can see that B will be our right answer. So these were the questions, and you can see the level of the questions is very good in the bundle PDF, and this is mains level PDF, and you can see the level of the questions is good as of mains level. So this is all, and tell me the next topic on which I can make the video. Plus one more thing I wanted to tell you is that there is a offer going on Guidely mock test purchase. So this offer is valid for 3 days, and they are providing the mock test in 500 rupees now. Earlier it was for 600 rupees, and by using my code Deepika10 you will get extra 12% discount. Okay, and now this mock test has 2-year validity, and if you purchase it within 3 days it will also include their GA Smart quiz with the analysis, and it will contain all the mock test of SSC, bank and railway exams. So you can go for the mock test. I will give you link in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. So that's all for today's video. Kindly write down your suggestions and tell me if this video was good or not, and I will try to make more informative videos. Okay, so that's all today. Thank you and have a nice day.